The paths panel shows vector paths made by the pen tools. So if we have the panel open right here, you see there's nothing in it, it's blank. So once I have a path made, then we actually have a live layer in the panel itself. And now if I were to make another path, it's gonna stay as that first layer, right? And when I go to the layers panel, you can see here we have two shape layers. So if I were to click on this one or this one and then click on the paths panel, that's gonna be the active path. Now you got a couple options down here at the bottom. You can fill the path with the foreground color. You can stroke the path with a brush. You can load the path as a selection. If I click this, you can see it has an active selection on it now. Or you can toggle it back to a work path. So you can just toggle between one and the other. And you can also add a layer mask here. If you click that and go back to the layers panel, you can see it just added a layer mask to that layer. And then the last two options, obviously we have create new. This is just going to make a blank path layer. And then we have delete. And you can delete that. And then we come up here to the top right. This is our options. You can have new path. It opens up the dialog box. You can name it. And it adds the path layer. You can duplicate it. You can delete it. Now if I come back and click one of these and then click this, we'll have some more options open up. Then we can make selection. You can change the feather radius, anti-alias, and operation. And then it makes your selection. You can also create a clipping path. It opens up this dialog box. You can choose which one to clip it to, change the flatness, click OK. Symmetry paths, I'm not going to spend too much time on those, but it's basically what it sounds like. It's a symmetrical path. Then you got the panel options, which is literally just the thumbnail size. If we make it bigger, it's just easier to see. Then there's just close. When you close it, it just closes down the panel. You gotta go back to the window menu and click on paths to open it up again. And there's a lot more you can do with this panel. This video is just a quick tutorial and basic guide on how to use it. I'm going to be coming out with a lot of other videos that are going to go more in depth with a lot of this stuff. So if you're new, make sure to subscribe, smash that like button. If you got any questions or comments, put them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.